few days back we dropped this phone again. My wife with me, we dropped it. So, and let's see, as you can see, there are many scratches and deep ones right here. So let's see how good is the screen protector. And for this safety, because here looks like will be a lot of glasses, we are putting some paper, so when smooth you remove it. Actually, let's turn off the phone. Yeah, let's turn it off. So let's continue to remove it. You see, so it's too gentle, smooth. Don't rush. Do it little by little. I hope the screen is not broken. I'm pretty sure it's not, but let's see. Yes, all good. So we still have some scratches, but it's before because we didn't install the screen protector. So, but it saved, so it worked. It helped to save it. So now let's install the third one. You can skip this video, this part of the video, if you've seen my videos before. So we're just using the cleaning kit first. Yeah, let's do the alcohol one. So looks super clean and nice. So you just check it like this. All good. Now installing this pink, super easy. And new screen protector. So the label should be down and you do it like this. Yeah, I'm doing it third time, on third week already. And just drop it there. Just simply, but for some reason it's not standing. Let's remove it. Yes, beautiful. Use that thing. Do like this. So this time I did it not perfect. There looks like some dirt there, but I cannot fix it now. Let's try it. So I do some pushes and swipe it up. It kind of helps, but after they're popping up again. They're almost gone. Even right now, let's do it without. Yes. See, oh, they're almost gone. One more. Yes, almost beautiful. And on the top. Yes, ready to go. So actually this one. Yes, beautiful. And now it's ready to the phone is ready to drop it again. Perfect. Thank you.